Which choice most logically completes the text? Archaeologist Christiana Kohler and her team excavated the Egyptian tomb of Queen Merenith, the wife of a First Dynasty pharaoh. Some scholars claim that she also ruled Egypt on her own and was actually the first female pharaoh. The team found a tablet in Merenith's tomb with writing suggesting that she was in charge of the country's treasury and other central offices. Whether Merenith was a pharaoh or not, this discovery supports the idea that Merenith likely blinked. So the text highlights how an archaeologist and her team excavated the tomb of an Egyptian queen, which was the wife of a First Dynasty pharaoh, and that some scholars claim that she ruled Egypt on her own and was the first female pharaoh. And the team found that there was a tablet in the tomb which suggested that she was in charge of the country's treasury and other central offices. And then it concludes by saying that whether she was a pharaoh or not, the discovery supports the idea that Merenith likely was Blink. So with this, let's look at the answer choices. A. Had an important role in Egypt's government. This seems to be the correct answer because this is properly supported by the text, where it highlights how she was in charge of the country's treasury and other central offices. And then it says that whether she was a pharaoh or not, she was likely had an important role in Egypt's government, which is true. So overall, A seems to be the correct answer. B. Lived after rather than before the First Dynasty of Egypt. This is incorrect because it clearly says up here that she was the wife of a First Dynasty pharaoh. Therefore, she lived in the First Dynasty, not after it. Therefore, we can eliminate option choice B. C. Traveled beyond Egypt's borders often. This is incorrect because nothing in the text suggests this, where it considers how far or where the Egyptian queen traveled, so we can obviously eliminate option choice C. D. Created a new form of writing in Egypt. This is incorrect because the focus of the text is on how she was in charge of the country's treasury and other central offices and had an important role in the Egypt government, and whether she was a pharaoh or not that she created a new form of writing, which isn't supported at all in the text. Therefore, we can eliminate option choice D, and we're left with A as the correct answer.